Only was like यार जब मैं बीवी बनूंगी तो मैं ऐसी बीवी बनूंगी और कैसी बीवी बनी है ये फिल्म में. शी इज द वाइफ ऑफ द ईयर. बेबी जॉन, भाभी जान.
Wow. Hi guys and welcome to Film Fair Middle East. Like you said, energy is very high. We're very excited. All of you all are coming from such major hits. What's the vibe like right now?
The vibe is right now 4 days left. Beast mode is going to be out very soon of Baby John, which Atlee sir is going to unleash tomorrow. Actually tonight at Global Village, we are going to show.
Today we're going to unleash that one in the Global Village. That will take Varun sir into a very action avatar, and which will promise you what you're going to visit on Christmas.
Amazing, amazing. You know, one thing I wanted to know is that was there, as a producer, was there not the temptation to actually direct it yourself, like, you know, coming from theory?
No,
How?
see, I was doing Jawan, and moreover, I'm producing couple more films also. I'm started to learn how to be a producer also in this phase, and as a producer chair, you never feel you have to jump into director. Director job is something else. Being a director, I know what is his job. I think it's a mother job. Direction is a mother job. Producing is a father job. So without father, there is no mother. Without mother, there is no father. You can't jump into each other's shoe and try to do some stuff.
Lovely. And we
yeah,
have the babies here.
yeah, they are the babies.
He sometimes thinks from the director shoes only. Most of the time he thinks only up from the increases the budget. So we have to pull him back and tell him.
You have to tell us something very quickly. Atlee the filmmaker or Atlee the husband?
Atlee the husband and then the filmmaker. He is very good husband, I have to tell you. Atlee is a hands-on husband and he's a hands-on father.
Kirti, have you been taking tips from Varun and Priya and Atlee for your married life? What's the best advice?
I forgot the fact that I got married in between. Every time Varun has to remind me that announce in the middle of interviews that she is announce me as married. And I've seen them both for a very long time. They are like a power couple and they've always been an inspiration, and they both are one of the major reasons why we actually got married, Anthony and me. Because they know us for a very long time, and thanks to them for that. And Varun, I'm yet to take thank you. He's blessing me. And Varun, I'm yet to take tips from Varun.
The chemistry between the two of you is so amazing, I must tell you.
On screen, off screen.
We have
The bonding between me and Kirti is the word marriage. She was preparing for marriage. I was married.
married.
तो वो marriage, she from before only was like यार जब मैं बीवी बनूंगी तो मैं ऐसी बीवी बनूंगी और कैसी बीवी बनी है ये फिल्म में. She is the wife of the year.
I know.
What a wife! But what a wife you are in this
But
film.
Atlee said no, you're
Such
going to
an
break hearts.
outstanding wife. She's already broken
But
hearts.
she's breaking hearts like on
You know, when
screen
we reached-
and off screen also, because she's gotten married now.
When we reached here, so many boys, even in Mumbai, even now in Dubai, I'm hearing in Kerala also, all over, you know, Andhra, Telangana, so many hearts she's broken. She's a heartbreaker.
Of course.
And Kitty, like we call her.
Yeah,
She didn't, nobody knew about her relationship for many years. Nobody knew.
Chupa Rustam.
People very close, they knew. Like I think,
Varun
they've
didn't
known. Varun knew it from the time I met him, and I have traveled with him only for the last say 2 years. So from that time he knows. But otherwise, I think a lot of my very close friends in the industry and other friends who are not in the industry, they knew it. But we tried to keep it very private.
When we were in Mumbai, when we were shooting, before she got married, so many people would message, oh, you're shooting with Kirti Suresh. Really? So many heroes. Kirti Suresh. So then I can't be like, here's a number or let's meet, because eventually it's my responsibility, sir.
Yeah.
Take care of us.
First Bollywood hero, no?
Yeah, so I have to take care of her, and
But he did.
He
I don't-
did, I'm sure.
Very good care of me.
so the joke, the joke is Baby John, Bhabhi Jan.
Wow,
So,
this is lovely. But Varun, you know, you playing a role in a khaki must be like a huge checklist tick off, na? Like for every Bollywood hero, there's like एक बार वो police, you know, like उसमें आना है. Finally happened with this.
No, definitely first time action avatar, first time getting this police uniform, and it was a big responsibility right from the haircut to the look to the kind of action that I do when I'm a police officer. It has to be more composed. I can't look like another rowdy only doing it. There is a composure, there is a style, there's a class which comes when you wear that uniform, you know.
Absolutely.
So that's a big responsibility. Yeah. Trolling me because of that. So
I thought you were just the one saying that he was such a gentleman.
First time you will see a police officer who's very jovial, not very strict, who's gonna be like a next door boy. And whenever a police avatar has to come out from a next door boy, on Beast will come out. That's the Beast mode we are preparing.
Oh.
So I think this kind of a police role I have not seen in Indian cinema. Maybe I have done in Teri, to be proudly. Yeah, and we have repeated it in a different way in Baby John, and it suits him perfectly.
And I would just like to add up to this that, I was earlier talking about my character in the film, that it's a complete package. And I feel it's the same for Varun. Like, he's playing a father and he's doing mass, he's doing action, and he's doing romance, and he's also sarcastic. He's doing a police officer. And so I think it's a bunch of things put together, and I'm really excited for him.
I'm excited for you as well.
Thanks. Let's
I think
be
there's a lot
excited
of
for each other.
Varun, the real inside wala Varun.
No,
that
I
we
feel
get
they're
to
all
see.
putting it on me. I'm so happy for Varun. I'm so excited for Varun. Varun, like, अरे भाई मेरे पे क्यों आ रहा है ये सब? I'm like 4 days are left.
But all your insight is going to come out in this.
Oh,
all
it's
under
come
the
out. You have
film.
no idea.
No,
Right now, there's a mask on of behavior because Atlee sir and Priya over here. Near her, I behave jungly. But because I have to also, I'm carrying the film, right? It's like Baby John, such a big film. December ka release hai, Christmas time. So I'm trying to behave very composed. But from inside, now, abhi ho gaya. Now I want to just scream. I just want to scream, go watch the film now.
Well, you do it internally, we do it externally
You
when we
please
see
do
it
it.
in theaters. And
I love your
so
tattoo.
good.
I love the tattoo.
That's a bhedia.
That is a bedia, I know.
That's a bhedia.
I'm
yeah.
very happy.
Spirit animal.
Spirit animal things to come.
But thank you so much for talking to us, guys, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so
And
much.
this one's already looking like a huge banger, so
Thank you.
Thank you, Akansha. Thank you.